We try and just treat every customer like we'd want to be treated and make sure that their car leaves in better shape than it came.
If a customer needs something from us, like for instance, they need a ride to go shopping while they're waiting for their car, or they need some help with their garage door opener, whatever the case may be, we come out to them and do everything we can for our customers.
We try to go above and beyond with the littlest little details here and there just to make them feel more comfortable, more like a place that they want to bring their car, not have to.
The main thing is being friendly and personable towards them and just making sure that, they know that you're on their side.
I had a test drive with a customer. They were listening for noise, and shortly up the road, the transmission went out. And since instead of trying to get a tow truck, I just drove my truck up there and hooked up a chain and pulled him back just so we didn't have to worry about that.
I've made house calls to replace batteries when there's time and a car comes in and there's not a ton to do, or we're waiting on parts for another customer's vehicle. We take it out back and we wash it. That's just sort of the German Motors way.
It's all about being able to assess each customer individually with their individual needs and knowing kind of what route you have to take from there. And just knowing what that vehicle means to them. It's their family car, or for others it has sentimental value. And you just gotta know what each vehicle means to each customer.
I try to never do work on a customer's car that I wouldn't do on my own. Like, I do the job how I would want it done, not how I'd expect somebody to do it really quick that's done it a million times.
We like to treat our customers more than just a person, but a family member, and treat their car like they're one of our own.